You can start now. All right, so we are going to cover the, okay, let's see. So, hey guys, so we are going to do the show and tell on the e-commerce application, web application. So we'll be learning about how the user story works, the behind the scene, how the API works. And then we are going to cover the Swagger and the Postman and the hands-on details. And without further delay, I'm going to allow Zahra. She's going to actually cover this. And the Pranta is going to ask question as needed, Zahra, okay? Other people, you guys can stay quiet. Once she is done, then and then you guys can ask question. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. My name is Zahra. I'm from the August 22 SQA group. I'm going to talk about Swagger, APIs, and Postman. So what is Swagger? Swagger is an API specification web-based application where development team learn the API specification and details given user story based on user story. It's not a testing tool. It does not store any try it out test results. So the website for Swagger is this link is here. I have it open. So this is the Swagger API for TS4U. Okay, the HTTP methods that we use are get, post, put, delete, or patch. So post is for to add data, create a new resource on the server, like sign up, user sign in, verify OTP. As you can see, these are all post methods. Then put is to update data, update an existing data resource available on server. So which you can see like update email, update profile. I just want to show you guys. Should be there. I'm sure it's there. Okay, I guess I can go to the next one is a get. Get is a fetch data, like get, I'm sorry. Get is better for data which does not require any security or images or Word document. So like search product, get feature product bulk download. These are the examples. And then delete is delete data, delete resource from the server, which you can delete product or delete a brand. So, and then there's one more, it's called patch. Patch is also like updating a data. Patch means something is broken and you are fixing it. So it's like update profile, update email, change password, reset password, edit product. So I covered the Swagger. Now I'm gonna go back to Postman. Postman is a testing tool that is used widely in the industry by software development team. We use Postman for API testing, which is RESTful API. These are the methods that I just talked about, HTTP methods. Okay, let me go on the Postman now. So Postman, I just created a folder over here for just for show and tell, just to see, but mine is over here. It's all done. Okay. So let me see what I'm going to talk about. So what are the collections? Collections are the Postman collections are a group of, so these are the collections like this one or this one. Collections are group.
Are you showing your Postman?
Yeah, I'm on Postman. Can you see the screen or no?
No, we
I'm so
can see
sorry.
your slide.
Let me see. Can you see Postman screen now?
Yes.
Okay. So what is Workspace? Workspace allows you to organize your Postman work and collaborate with teammate. And there are collections. Collections are a group of saved requests. Every request you send in a Postman appears under the history tab of the sidebar. So over here. What are the folders? So these are the folders. What are the folders? Folders request in a collection can be grouped into folder to make it easy to keep things organized. So under like from the, I will be trying sign up one, sign up request, which is a post request, yes, from the API. And I have created two folders, positive test and negative test. So let me go back to the API. Can you see the screen from the Swagger, the slideshow?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to try the sign up, sorry, user sign up. So, oh, I didn't talk about this. So on Swagger, this is the tryout. If you want to try any of those HTTP requests, you can use the try it out, and you can fill out the information here, and then you can execute it. Let's try that. So and one more thing, this whole thing is it's a JSON format. This is a JSON format, and it's called, the whole thing is called the payload. And then this is the request body that will be using. Request body is a data sent by client to your API. And then once we, send it, we get the response. It's a response body is a data your API sends to the client. So
Okay. From where we will get the response?
once we execute it, it's going to show the response.
Okay. But from where actually we'll get the response?
Oh, no, let me fill out this information. Then I'll execute it. It's going to show under over here, responses.
No. Yeah.
Mhm.
I understand that if you send a request, then you will get the response, right?
Yes, yes.
But from somewhere it's coming the response, right?
API.
Okay.
Or you can go ahead. You can correct me if, yeah.
No. Okay. Actually, you will get the response from the server. That was
Yeah,
actually.
server. Okay. Yes. Thank you.
Okay.
I've created a new email. Okay. So, oh, let me write I'm so sorry. I'm a little lost. I'm going to execute. So, okay, this is the response coming from the server, and it says bad request error. So it says user already registered. So if we copy this curl.
Okay. So
Yes.
you're getting the bad request, and
Mhm.
the message is like user is
User
already
already
registered.
Mhm.
So like if you want to make this um successful request,
Mhm.
so what will be your approach here?
I can sign up with the new email address and the password, and it should.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. So we're going to check if it's working, and it's fine. It does the same message come on Postman since it's a testing tool. So let's see. I'm going to do the new import raw text. I'm going to post what I copied from the curl and then continue. So this is the server import. Save. Under positive, I'm going to create one as a user. I should not be able to sign up with without, no, with, I should not be able to sign up with valid ID that is registered before. So this is I just created one folder, and this is under sign up. I'm going under positive test cases, saving this. Okay. Now you can see it's there, and I'm going to send the request, and the same message is showing here what was showing on the Swagger. So
Okay. Can you please execute with a good request? I mean, a successful request.
oh, so that means I have to create another. Okay, let's see.
In the Postman.
Okay, execute which request? I'm sorry.
Just a successful request. It's giving you the 400 bad request, right?
Mm-hmm,
So
mm-hmm.
let's say the expectation is it should show you the 201 created. Okay. So what will be your, like the approach you already said that you have to give the new email address and the password.
Mm-hmm.
So I think
I can
that
use
thing you can.
the Faker.js.
Right now you don't need to use the Faker.js. You can just go to the body and just use and just give a random email address which one is not registered yet.
Okay.
In the Postman, you don't need to go to the Swagger.
Oh, but then this will be a negative test case if I.
No.
I'm
Go to
sorry. Where do you want it? Like this is the body.
Yes, just change here. That's it.
Change anything here. Okay. Let's make 2 over here, and then it should say that it. Let's see the message. True,
Yeah.
because it was not registered, but it's showing here true.
Yes.
Okay.
So though you will not get the OTP code here, basically,
Yes. Yes.
because you have not accessed this email address, right?
Mm-hmm,
But
mm-hmm.
the request is sent successfully.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go on.
Okay, now I'm gonna create a negative test case. Let's do this again. And it's already saved. Can you see the whole screen, Swagger, too?
Yes.
Okay, this time I'm gonna do the negative, which could be without name. And see, it's gonna, what the message is going to come. And same thing, let's say if I'm trying to sign up here, log out. If I'm not putting name, it should, the message should come, please provide your name. Please provide your name. Let's prove that on this Swagger. Let's see, I did not put my name and execute it. It says, please provide your name. So let's check it on Postman. You can copy from here or Control C. Import raw text, paste, continue, and import. Once you're saving it, you should save it under show and tell. Let me try again because it should be negative. Sign up, negative. And as a user, I should not be able to sign up without a name. Save. And then let's send the request. And it says the same message, please provide your name. Let's create one more. This time I'm gonna have just.
Okay. So
Yes.
once if you like bring your request information into Postman once, then you don't need to do every time into the Swagger, because you already mentioned that Swagger is not a testing tool. And right now you are doing testing, right? You are doing the test on your API, the positive testing, negative testing, like you are extending the negative testing, right? So now you can do into
I
the
can copy
Postman. You
paste.
don't need to, yeah, just you can duplicate it, you can work on it. You don't need to go every time into the Swagger. Swagger is
Duplicate.
just try it out once.
Yes.
Then if it is fine there, just bring your API, bring your request information into the Postman, then you are fine.
Okay. Name and password. So, and then I'm gonna change the body. Okay, and the message is coming, please provide your name, please provide a password. So, okay, let's do now the snippets. What are snippets? Let's see. So snippets are right here. These snippets can help you get started with assertion in Postman. The assertion are used when you are performing exploratory testing. So let's do, code is 200, or I can do the time. Sorry, I'm taking a little longer. Okay, now we're doing the time is less than 200 and it shows here 118 milliseconds. So let's see if, please, response time is less than 200. Let's see if it's working. Okay, it passed. It says response time is less than 200 milliseconds. Let's do other one. Equal to strength. Sorry. I can try that too. This is little, no, I will talk about that later. So I talked about snippets, HTTP status code. So this is the status code that are used, like the 404. It says not found. This is the status code. These are issued by server in the response to a client request made to the server. Did I cover the environment? This is the environment. So environment is collection of computer where the project code is stored for the development team, business team, and operation team to test, try it out, and verify only in production. We do not do testing in production. So there are 4 types of environments that I was told. One is staging environment, one is test environment, and another one is development environment, and last one is production environment. So, did I cover everything? I think last one is a schema validation.
Can you put a session for the status code?
Yes. It should come 404. Checking. Where is the status code? Can you see it? I can't find it. Oh, here. Okay, so over here, as we can see, it's not found. It's we should be expecting 404, not 200. So input status code should be is 404. Just to send it, you can see now it says status code is 404. Is that good?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, I want to do the schema validation. So for schema validation, we have to use another JSON schema tool. We have to use this. Can clear this and get where's the body? I'm not sure if it's going to work on this. Let's see. Submit. And then we can copy this from here. Go back on the test. We can give some space. Then can give it, like, say what we're doing. We can say JSON schema validation. Okay, for schema validation, we have to use this VAR.
What in the number 8
Variable.
number line? What you wrote actually?
Oh, validation D. Sorry. Is that correct?
No, actually, is it a comment?
Yeah, it's lines. Sorry. Thank you.
Yeah, go on. No issue.
JSON data. D should be capital. Is equal. Oh. Is equal JSON. And then dot parse. And response body. Response body. Okay. So now we're going to use the tiny validator for JSON data. Okay. Schema validation. This line has to be deleted. This one. And then here, this also. Oh. And that too. So this was, let's see. Okay, what is data one? JSON data. And then schema. You can make it like schema one. And here we can paste from here. Remember we copied from here schema, this, we have to paste it here. And then if everything is good, it should work. Let's see. Nope, it failed. So that means I left something, I made a mistake somewhere that it's not. I'm sorry. So.
Okay, what is the purpose of your 55 and 56 number line?
I'm sorry, which one?
55 and 56.
Data
Okay.
1, data 2.
No, you don't need this line.
Is there something that I'm missing?
Okay, you don't. First of all, you don't need these lines, so you can remove
These
this.
two? These two?
Yes. Yes.
Anything else? If you can take a look.
Then yeah, can you go over? Can you go to your JSON data variable? So the JSON data, like number 9. So you put the name that JSON data. You give the capital. Though the variable name should start with the lowercase. Yes. So okay, and now can you check that the variable you called, is it same?
Let's see. Now it should be same. JSON capital.
Okay. Okay, now run it.
Nope. I
Okay.
can start it over.
So no, okay. So the another thing you did mistake, that one is like we didn't get the schema from the request body. We got the we try to get the schema from the response body. Whatever we send the request, what we get the response, we copy the response from the Postman, then we paste it into the JSON schema, then we get the schema from there.
Okay. So should I just
Go to
start
your
it
body, response body.
from
Go to your response body on the Postman.
I'm sorry, from Postman?
Yes. Click on the body. On the no, not this one. The response one.
Um,
Can you see there like in the okay.
body.
Yes, yes.
This one?
This one
This
is your response body, yes. So you have to actually copy this body.
And go there. Submit. And then copy. And I'm going to try the schema validation again from here.
Just remove everything from curly braces to curly braces. You don't need to remove. Okay.
Okay, this is all good.
Okay.
So I can use the tiny.
Just create a variable. That's it. You have already those. Okay, okay. You can go on. Yeah, start.
Oh, yeah, this line needs to be deleted. And these. Oops. Let's go little by little. Okay. And you're saying the line 55 should be deleted? The bottom. Okay, no, let's see. JSON data schema, let's make it schema 1. And then here we're going to paste from schema net. See? Oh, okay, it passed. So the message came, schema is valid. I guess that's it for tonight. If I missed something, you can tell too.
No, so if all of this in your agenda, so it's fine. Okay.
I can talk about, like, we can run the collection over here. We can run the collection. Iteration means how many times, and then delay, like how many milliseconds. I would just put 500 milliseconds just to see if all of them are working in this collection. So I'm let me see. Oh, it says no test in the request. Oh, here. I'm so sorry. Here. Run the folder. Maybe I did not save them. Did I save it? happened to that? Okay. It is saved. Why is it showing that? It's saved. This needs to be saved. Okay. I wanna see again. This is saved. Oh, I didn't do any test on this. That's why. Okay, let's run this folder. .500 milliseconds. So there is one, like the other test cases, I did not do any test. That's why it's showing no test in the request. But the last one I did 3 of the snippets. So one was a schema validation, one was time less than 200 milliseconds, and one was the status code. And they all passed, and it's showing passed. So, and then there is a monitor. If you guys want to use a monitor, create a monitor, and you will be getting an email, and you can set it up if you want to check it weekly or daily. It will send you email if it's not working, and then it will stop if you don't check it. So that's the monitor. I guess that's it.
Okay. So
Does anyone, I see some. Does anyone have a question? No?
I think no.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Have a good night.
Okay. Okay, so
Yes.
yeah, I think there is no question, so we can wrap up for today.
Thank you. The hardest part was the schema validation because I get stuck on that, and Ashraful Khan helped me.
Okay.
So I need to keep practicing.
Okay.
And you
Bye,
too,
everyone.
Abdullah, Munna. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Yep. Okay.
Okay, bye.